Arithmetic Progression Chapter 1 Exercise 1.3 in that 11th problem. If the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression is 4n square minus n 4n minus n square, what is the first term, that is s? What is the sum of first two terms? What is the second term? Similarly, find the third, 10th and the nth terms. See, in this question they given sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression is 4n minus n square. That means Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Now we have to find out first term. That means S or A, both are same. First term, find the sum of first two terms. That means S2. What is the second term? A2. Similarly, find the third, 10th and nth terms. See, here they given Sn is equal to 4n minus n square. Here first term, what they are asked here, what is the first term? First term is equal to A is equal to S is equal to 4 into n value is 1. First term, that's why n value is 1. 4 into 1 minus 1 square. Here 4n minus n square. In this n place, substitute 1. 4 into 1 minus 1 square. 4 ones are 4 minus 1 square is 1. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. First term is 3. Sum of first two terms. See, sum of first two terms means S2. S2 is equal to, here n is equal to 2. That's why you put in n place 2 value. So, substitute in n place 2 value. Now 4 into 2 minus 2 square. 4 2s are 8 minus 2 square is 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Now we should find out A2 value. See, here S2 is equal to A1 plus A2. That means sum of first two terms. A1 plus A2. Here S2 is equal to A1 or S1, both are equal. Instead of A1, I am writing here S1. S1 plus A2. Here A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. Therefore, here A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. S2 value is 4 minus S1 value is 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now D is equal to A2 minus A1. See, first term value is 3. Now A2 is equal to 1 minus A1 is equal to 3. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Now we have to find out nth term. Now An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is equal to A value is 3 plus n minus 1 into D value is minus 2. An is equal to 3, here plus into minus minus n 2 into n 2n, minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2. An is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5 minus 2. Now we have to find out the third and 10th term. Now third term is equal to A3 is equal to 5. Here An value is 5 minus 2n. Now A3 is equal to 5 minus, in n place substitute 3 value. 5 minus 2 into 3. A3 is equal to 5 minus 2 3s are 6. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. Now 10th term. A10 is equal to same 5 minus 2 into, in n place write down 10. Substitute 10. n 5 minus 2 into 10. 5 minus 2 tens are 20. 5 minus 20 is 15. Now we find out 10th term. A10 value is minus 15. A3 value is minus 1. An is equal to 5n minus 2, 5 minus 2n, and A2 is 1. A is 3. Okay. Now we will go to next problem. 12th problem. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. See here, these are all divisible by 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, so on. Now, this is arithmetic progression. See, 12 minus 6 is 6. 18 minus 12 is 6. 12, 24 minus 8 is 6. Therefore, this is an arithmetic progression with common difference is 6 and the first term is 6. Here first term is 6. Now we have to find out the sum of the first 40 positive integers. That means Sn is S40 we have to find out. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S40 is equal to 40 by 2 into a is equal to 6. 2 into 6 plus 40 minus 1 into 6. S40 is equal to, here 2 ones are 2 20s are 20 into 2 6 are 12 plus 40 minus 1 is 39 into 6. S40 is equal to 20 into 12 plus, here 39 into 6 is 234. Now S40 is equal to 20 into 12 plus 234 is 246. S40 is equal to 20 into 246 is 4920. Now sum of first 40 positive integers which is divisible by 6 is 4920. Now next problem. See, next problem. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. See here what they are asking. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. First write down 8 multiples. That is 8, 16, 24, 32 and so on. Now these numbers form an arithmetic progression. See here, 16 minus 8 is 8, 24 minus 16 is 8, 32 minus 24 is 8. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression with the common difference 8 and the first term is 8. Here A is equal to 8, D is equal to 8. Now we have to find out S15. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S15 is equal to, n value is 15. 15 by 2 into a value is 8 plus 15 minus 1 into 8. S15 is equal to 15 by 2. 2 8s are 16 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into 8. S15 is equal to 15 by 2 into 16 plus 14 into 8 is 112. That is equal to 15 by 2 into here 16 plus 112 is 228. If we cancel these two, we will get 64. Now S15 is equal to 15 into 64. S15 is equal to 15 to 64 is 960. Now next problem, 14th one. Find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 and 50. See here, first write down odd numbers between 0 to 50. That is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, so on up to 49. See, that is arithmetic progression. How it is arithmetic? See here, 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 1 is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 2. Therefore, this is here common difference is same. Therefore, it is an arithmetic progression. See, this is an arithmetic progression with common difference is 2 and the first term is 1. Therefore, A is equal to 1, D is equal to 2, L is equal to 49 because last term is 49. Now, AN is equal to L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. L value is 49 is equal to A value is 1 plus N minus 1 into D value is 2. Here 49 minus 1 is 48 is equal to 2 into N minus 1. N minus 1 is equal to 48 divided by 2. Cancel these two. 2 ones are 2, 24s are. N minus 1 is equal to 24. N is equal to 24. This minus 1 comes to this side. It will be plus 1. N is equal to 24 plus 1. That is 25. Therefore, N value is 25. Now what they are asking, find the sum. That means S25. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into a value is 1 plus l value is 49. S25 is equal to 25 by 2 into 49 plus 1 is 50. Now 2 ones are 2, 25s are 50. Now 25 is equal to 25 into 25. Now S25 is equal to 25 into 25 is 625.